Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log out of TokenPocket. To log out of TokenPocket application, open up the app first and from the main homepage of TokenPocket, go ahead and tap on the Me button at the bottom right hand corner. Inside the Me button, tap on Manage Wallets. You will not be able to see a logout button within the TokenPocket application. So if you want to log out of a wallet, you'll need to delete the wallet altogether. Simply select the wallet you want to delete and tap on it, and then tap on the Delete Wallet button at the bottom. But remember that you must have your recovery phrases backed up before you log out or delete of your wallet. Tap on Export Secret Recovery Phrase and back up your recovery phrases on a piece of a paper or store it somewhere else safe before you delete your account. Once you are done, tap on Delete Wallet and enter your wallet's password, and you will then be able to tap on Confirm and you will be logged out of your wallet. So that means in order to log out of your TokenPocket wallet, you'll need to delete your wallet from your application. So that is the only way you will be able to delete your wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.